In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to showcase your most rare achievements on your Steam profile. If you've ever wanted your proudest, hardest earned achievements to stand out the moment someone visits your profile, this is exactly what you need. Steam includes an achievement showcase that automatically highlights your rarest achievements, but it's a feature you enable from your profile settings and it requires a certain account level. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know what to click and why it matters. Start by opening Steam on your desktop or in a web browser. Look toward the top navigation and click Profile. This takes you to the hub for everything related to your public presence on Steam, including your avatar, summary, badges, and importantly, the area where showcases appear. Next, select View My Profile. This loads the page visitors see when they check you out. Taking a second to view it first is helpful because you'll immediately know where your showcase will appear and how the rest of your profile currently looks. If your profile is set to private, keep in mind that others won't be able to see your showcase even after you set it up. Now click Edit Profile. Inside these settings, scroll to the section where you can customize what appears in the main content area. Look for the Featured Showcase dropdown and choose Achievement Showcase. Once selected, Steam typically displays your rarest achievements automatically, ranked by global scarcity, and may also let you pin specific favorites. This is a great time to tidy up your profile summary, check your avatar, and make sure your privacy settings allow friends or the public to see your achievements if that's what you want. When you like how it looks, save your changes so they go live on your profile. If you don't immediately see the update, refresh the page. There's one essential requirement. You need to be on level 10. Steam unlocks your first showcase slot at profile level 10. If you're below that, consider leveling up by crafting badges from trading cards, completing community badges when available, or participating in seasonal events. Each badge grants XP toward your profile level. Take your time and level in a way that feels reasonable for you. There's no rush. That's it. Click Profile, view your profile, head into Edit Profile, and make sure you're level 10 so the Achievement Showcase option appears. Once enabled, your rarest achievements will be front and center, giving visitors a quick snapshot of what makes your gaming history stand out.